Meaning of effeminacy.
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 Effeminacy. Effeminacy refers to traits or behaviors that are traditionally associated with femininity, such as a lack of assertiveness, emotional expression, or physical strength. It is often used in a derogatory manner to criticize men who display such traits, implying that they are weak or inferior. The idea of effeminacy has been heavily criticized for reinforcing harmful gender stereotypes and limiting men's expression of their true selves. Ultimately, the concept of effeminacy is harmful and should be replaced with more inclusive and accepting attitudes towards different expressions of gender and sexuality.